Today we'll be plane spotting in PTFS Greater Rockford. Here we have a beautiful 747, 200 I think it was, Air Friend, beautiful wingtips remodel. Let's see what else we got. Oh, here we have a reunited 747. If we look closely, there should be a fighter jet up there somewhere. Lost it. Here, there we go. There's a fighter jet coming in right there. Oh, there! Look at that. Here we have the Air Force One. Just the Air Force One minding its business. Isn't that nice to see? Let's see what we have here. Here we have a Cessna Caravan. Bye-bye. Should we have... That looks like a fighter jet. See what we have over here, baby. Here we have an A-10 Warthog. Look at that. This seems really outdated. It doesn't even have the moving blades, the engine. But come on, Orange. You didn't have to do the A-10 that dirty. I have no idea what that thing is. He's going too fast. There should be the Air Force One. It's going very slow. There's something. Okay, why is it losing so much altitude? And I think it crashed. Yes, it's crashed. No, it's actually it's fine. Let's just see. I have no idea where I'm looking. Oh, here we have a fighter jet. Again. Oh, there looks to be A330 that just disappeared. Cobra. I wonder what a Cobra could be. Here we have looks to be a Cirrus jet. Oh, there's not even this video. Let's see what we have over here. How the hell did he do that? Here we have an A340. Nice. Let's see, Python. Let's see, Python. What you got? Oh, Python is an A-10, isn't it? Yeah, he's not moving. Let's see. We have on Python. Something keeps appearing on my screen. Oh, here we have a gyro. We got gyro. Let's see what you're doing. Oh my god, it's a B-2. First bomber of the day, baby. There's a Cessna Caravan again. Or is it? I'm not sure. Python is not moving. Ba-ba. And I'm lagging. That's for sure. Ow. Look at that, that's beautiful. Cobra coming back to the A340. Let's see what else we have. Cobra's taxing properly. That's one thing. Okay, let's see what else we got. We have curse. Why is there a twin otter? There's a twin otter. I think it's getting ready to take off. Yep, look at that. Bye-bye. Yep, that's V1. Alright. Nice. There's the B2 again. There goes Cobra. Slash the AC-40. The Bootinator. I love that new horn. Oh, here we have an F-14 Tomcat. Yeah. I love cats. But we got over here. We got everything. Sus. We need to see Sus. What does Sus have for us? Oh, it's an MD-11. Oh, we're going, let's say 100 knots, since we're going faster than the actual plane. Oh, it's projected takeoff. Look at this. Wow. What the hell? Ooh.